next sound we have is the D letter. Okay, this is the D letter. Okay, the name of these, or this letter is D. Here is a capital D, and here is a lowercase d. But the sound this letter makes is D, 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 D. Okay, your tongue is touching the back of your teeth, D, and then it's opening up, D. Make sure you sing this with me at home, okay? So, now, let's find some words which have the D sound in it. Okay, so first one we have is desk. D, E, S, K. Desk. D, E, S, K. Desk. Okay, I am cleaning my desk. Okay, that could be a sentence. D, E, S, K. And a S and K. They're adjacent consonants, they're consonant sounds together, so we kind of speed those up, we blend them together quickly. Sk, 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 desk, desk. Okay, so obviously 4 letters and 4 sounds there. Okay, our next one we have is beard. Okay, B, I, D, beard. B, I, D, beard. Okay, so here we've got an extra long red line. Okay, so here that is 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, 3 letters making one sound. That is a trigraph. Okay, so the e, a, and r together make the ear sound or ear sound. But today we're going to go say ear. Okay, b, I, d, beard. I have, well, I don't, but a sentence could be I have a beard. Okay, b, I, d, beard. Like Santa Claus has a beard, for example. B, I, d, beard. Okay. Alright, next one we have then is dolphin. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. Okay. D, O, U, F, I, N. Dolphin. So that P and H sounds together, making the F sound, the F digraph. Dolphin. The dolphin is swimming in the ocean, you could say. Dolphin. Okay, so now let's say these words and sounds together. Say them with me, please. D, D, desk, desk, desk. Beard, b, I, d, beard. And dolphin, d, o, u, f, I, n, dolphin. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.